All right, what we have here is an H2O 80, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the orientation of this casing. We're going to show you out of the system because that's actually the easiest time to do it. So what we would do is we would take off our 9/16 nuts. The most typical orientation for this is either up or straight at, but you can actually index it any one of 6 ways. Okay, so here is our casing that we'll just pull off. Now, typically, there would be this gasket on here, and you would have to clean that all off with your gasket scraper and make sure this surface is really good. Now, as you can see, this is how we wore, and we can line this up like this and like this. And you can see if we can't really come out at a 90, which is the most typical way we do this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these studs and put them in these other holes. So unless you have a stud puller, you can just take 2 of the nuts and then wind it out. And we'll use the same thing to wind it back in. And you'll need 2 wrenches to loosen it. And we're just going to go right around just like that. And as you see with these extra threaded holes, we can index this casing any way we want. Now, as you see, we can't get it to point straight up anymore, but what we can do is get it to point out at the 90, which is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our new gasket, we're gonna put it on. And as you can see, now we will be oriented for a different situation. Now we'll tighten these little by little using the star pattern. Then in the manual should be the torque spec. Another thing we're going to show you is the orientation of the peckerhead on the pump. And typically you would do this outside the system if you got the new motor and this wasn't lined up with how the old one was. So before I would put it in, you would orientate this casting, and if you needed to orientate this, what you would do is you would loosen these 4 9/16 bolts right here. Then I would remove them. And typically, like, this is either pointing straight at or straight up. This is either on the side or on the top. So we can actually take this one of 4 ways, and I don't want to separate this. I just want to slide it along the pump motor. Until I can start the bolts again. And I would make sure you could put these in with your hand, because you definitely don't want to mess up the threads inside the motor casing. So typically I just wiggle the casing until she's lined up where I can get them in by hand. And the same thing, you always want to walk it in. And now you can see that we've changed this from pointing up and this from being over here.